In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this incredible sweet bean paste recipe. So stay tuned. Begin making your sweet bean paste with 16 ounces of white beans. I'm using Great Northern beans. Soak them overnight in water, a little bit more than you put the beans in. You put the water about an inch higher than the beans. Let it soak overnight. And this is what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to show you the next step. We want to drain. Followed by putting your beans in a pot. Add 5 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Then you want to cook your beans until soft. I'm going to put it on medium-high. While your beans are cooking, if you see a foam on top, just strain that off. I turned it down to medium because it started to boil over. And just really keep an eye on them. Stir them once in a while. So the beans are cooked down, they're really soft. And I'm gonna let these cool before I put them in the blender. So here goes, I'm putting the beans in the blender. And they're still actually quite hot. And then I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of sugar. So there's 1 1/4. I'm also going to add a dash of vanilla. So you end up with this really thick paste. And if you're going to use the blender, definitely do small amounts at a time. I found that I put the whole thing in there and that was a mistake. This is kind of reminding me of hummus, like with chickpeas. Then we're going to cook it down until it becomes thick enough to pipe. See how smooth that is? And here's the end result of my batch of sweet bean paste. So a few tips. It doesn't need to be cooked down for that long. I think I probably did it for like maybe 15 minutes. Just keep stirring it, and when you're able to put your spatula, run it through the bean paste and the bean paste holds its shape, then it's ready. Now it's going to seem really squishy and it almost feels like it's too squishy to pipe, but it's actually perfect. I have some in a pastry bag here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. Look at that. It just really holds its shape. It pipes smooth and easy. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you don't already know, I have a book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step. Check that out. It's in the links below. And you can also get a free buttercream book if you click the links below as well. Okay, I'll see you soon.